Make a 3-finger-sized ring bubble. Make 3 more just like this. Inflate another 260 and wrap the nozzle around the 4-petal flower. Make another 4-petal flower with 3-finger ring bubbles. Arrange the petals in alternating colors. Now let's make the flower center. Slide the 260 over a balloon stick or a firm straw. Make a double pinch twist. Make 2 4-finger ring bubbles and wrap each around the double pinch twist. Keep the balloon tail a bit longer. Now, let's start assembling.